Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, I did it good. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer and Setting Powders. So, as you can see, I have two shades. I have Topaz and Translucent, and I also have C10 and C11 in these shades. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open her up. Ooh. So that's what the little packaging looks like. And then I'll open up for the C10. I'll open it from the butt. Oh damn. This is so hard to do. Okay. I think I got it this time. Alright, so here is the concealer. Ooh, yes. So it looks like this. This is the little doe foot. It's like a triangle with the hole in the middle. And then this is the component. She's so pretty. She got that star emblem there. And then the shade name is on the bottom. And it's pointy. Shank. Just cut ya. And yeah. So just to little clarify, these guys are $22 on Jeffree Star's website, both the concealer and this. So 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22. Let me open the other one. And yeah, so they're sold on his, what is it called? His website, Morphe's website, and Beauty Bay's website. So go and get them now. Now! Just kidding. But yeah, so, and they launched on the 19th, which it's been a couple of days. So these are the two shades I got. Ooh. And we'll do like a little swatch. So I'm gonna do a little like, what are they? Rectangle? A little rectangle. So this is C11 that I'm doing first, and then the next one is going to be C10. So this one is C11, and then this one is C10. And then I can do the translucent, the loose, oh my god, that's like a mess. So then this one, oh, this one is translucent. It's like all over the place. And then I have to open this one. The little pull tab, so easy to pull. And then this one is Topaz, so I'm just gonna, like you can barely see Topaz right there. And then Translucent is this one. Oh, so buttery and smooth. So that is both of these setting powders. So first, I'm just gonna start off with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm just gonna take like that much, and I'm just gonna lather it all in my porous places where I have the most pores. Massage it in, just so that it goes everywhere, gets in there. And that is there. I'm gonna grab a little tissue, wipe my hands off, and then just gonna let it dry a little bit. Okay. So next, we're just going to go in with, where's my little foundation? This little foundation right here. I like to shake it. The little, what is this? Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Cream. You see that? That's cream beige. That is my shade color. And then I'm just gonna take this and just put it all over my face, just like this, yes. Just like that. Just like I am a warrior or something. I don't know. Okay. So then I think this might be enough. I don't know. Oh, gosh darn it. I always do this. I always get it in my hair. And then my hair looks like I have white hair. Okay, so then that is enough of that. I'm just gonna pull this little hair and just yank her out. And then I'm gonna use this little sponge, this little Juno sponge, that one of my friends really likes it and loves it a lot. So I am just gonna use this to just put all this foundation into my face and just really get it in there. Just work it in. And then just keep on packing her in. Pack, pack, pack. And then just get a nice solid little, oh, I guess put it in my eye. I'll do this side too, just so that they look the same. I'm gonna use the little butt part. Back. So I'll just go a little bit on my neck. Just okay. So yeah. The little sponge. Okay, so then there's that sponge. So then I think I'm gonna go in with this shade of, what is this? C11, I think. Yeah, C11. So I'm just gonna go in with C11. And I'm just barely gonna add a little bit. Just like that. I said barely add a little bit. This is a hell of a lot. I just don't want to use too much. Not talk while doing this. Didn't cover that mole. I have a mole right there and it covered it. Okay, and then I'll just do like a little drop. And then go here. I don't like to do too much up here. As I do a lot. And then just do a line down my hunker, just like that. And that was all one dip in the thing. So then I'm gonna use the same sponge, and I'm just gonna blend it on out. I use my little butt end to blend it in with my other stuff. Use this side. My little button over here. And then do that. Oh. And then do this side. Do this side, do my forehead. And then down my hunker. That's pretty much the concealer. It's like really brightening. And yeah. Let me get a little paper towel. Clean my hand off. And so I have a lot of creasing underneath my eyes, so I know it's not gonna probably like completely cover that. So we're just gonna leave it like that. And then I'm just gonna go in with my little Morphe sponge right here. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of the white powder on the lid, just like that. And then just sort of dip it in there. But first, I'm gonna use the butt end. Oh, sorry guys, you didn't see that. But I'm just putting the translucent powder underneath my eye. I'm using the little butt end that. And then I'm packing the translucent powder on my under eyes. Just like a little bit on top of there, and then just taking a little bit more and just putting it in my forehead, down my nose, underneath my chin. Ooh, honey. Then I'm gonna take some of the topaz and put that on the other side, the clean side, and just like pat that in everywhere else. Y'all, this shit is strong. So then I'll just pat in this little neck. That's pretty much it. And then I'll just dust off all the powder because that's a lot of powder. I feel like that made my face look a little bit more yellow now. So then next, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring with this dirty little Cover FX sculpting whatever palette. I'm gonna do this shade Contour. I'm just gonna put this right here just to actually make it look like I have cheekbones and not fat bones, and make that yellow go away. Maybe the topaz wasn't my color. But just sort of flick up and then just down the nose, down my honker, the top underneath my chin, and then do here in my hair. Just so that makes my forehead look smaller than it already is. And then it's pretty much, oh, that was too high. That's, oh yeah, and then I'm gonna do my jawline that I don't need to do. My eyes look so white right now, but we're gonna fix that. We're going to fix that right here. Okay, so then I'm just gonna bake because I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, so just like that. And then just like slightly on my nose, forehead area. Just go straight down the nose. Oh my goodness, no, not like that. The nose is good. And then my chin. Oh, and then I'm gonna do my jaw. Yeah. So that I can be a part of the, what is it called? The campaign. Okay. And so, oh man, that's a lot. I just stuck this in my mouth. Okay. So then that is gonna be just the, what is it, face portion. And I will be right back with my eyebrows done, stuff on my eyeballs, lipstick maybe, and eyelashes, and we'll be ready to go. See you in a second. And we're back. I just did a quick little, you know, brown, whatever you call this, rose gold cut crease with the Thirsty palette. The little guy right here, only use a couple shades. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And that's pretty much it. And then I did put on some little Morphe lashes. These are in the style Flirt Alert. And then I put on, where did it go? This little lipstick right here. This is a Morphe lipstick in the shade Caught your ass red-handed. I like the concealer. It made me look very bright, and I like that. That's a good thing. So, oh, and then we'll just hit it off with some little Morphe setting spray. Ooh, I just want to drink this. It just tastes so good. And then sit here, do this, and yeah, and that's pretty much it to look, you know, like I'm a little wet. That is the video. I like to think that the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer and Setting Powder is really Jeffree Star approved, and it's a good one. So if you are near a Morphe store or you want to get some, go ahead and buy some. And I think that's it. I don't know why I'm whispering. It sounds like I'm whispering, but yeah, that is the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and do whatever else people do on here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.